Here's the B theme from Vivaldi's Spring of the Four Seasons. Notice that our time signature has changed. It is 2/4, and we have a double bar line here. So we still have that anacrusis or that pickup for those of you that understand what that is. And it just means we have a little eighth note all by itself over here. So, but you will understand this. This is worth half a beat. We've talked about this. This is worth half a beat. Well, you need two. So where's the other beat and a half? Where do you look? So if you have half a beat here, you need to go to the end. Go to the very last measure and it'll all add up. What is a quarter note? Plus an eighth rest. What is 1 plus a half? Beat and a half. So this measure plus this measure will give you your 2. So anytime you have an incomplete measure at the beginning or the end of a piece, look at the bookends and you will find that they should match up. If they don't, the composer needs lessons. All right, so I'm going to sing this for you once, and I'll go back and explain. Di ta di mi ta di cinco, pa ta di mi ta di cinco, pa cinco, pa ta di mi ta ta. I'll sing it a different way for you. Di ta di mi ta di ta di ta di mi ta di ta di ta di mi ta ta. So there are these two ways that we can do this. We've talked about syncopa. Syncopation means it's off the beat. Check this out. You can just physically see where it is placed in the measure here. So you still have 2 beats. You have these 2 eighth notes that can be added together. Half plus a half is a whole. And then, of course, there's a quarter note. So this does have 2 beats in it, but look where they placed the whole number. They placed the whole right in between the half. So you've got this half, whole, half, half, whole, half, half, whole, half. So syncopation, like I said, is off the beat. So I say syncopa just as a way to say, just like takadimi is a way to count. It doesn't necessarily mean anything other than I'm just counting that way. Syncopa just reminds me that that is syncopated, but I can also say ta di di, ta di di, because this is ta di, but the ta would be right there. If I were to go ta di, making this the D of that ta. Okay. All right. So it goes di ta di mi ta di cinco pa ta di mi ta di cinco pa ta di mi ta ta. Let's go back and say it with the ta di. Di ta di mi ta di ta di ta di mi ta di ta di ta di mi ta ta. Now, if you're listening to the music right here, the second time that it does this thing called a trill. The trill is where you shake your voice or your instrument, whatever you're playing. So if you were doing this and you were singing it, you would go like this. Di ta di mi ta di ta di ta di mi ta di ta di ta di mi ta ta. So we'll do that again because that's kind of funny. Haha. Let's do it again. Let's this time sing syncopa. Here we go. Di ta di ta di cinco pa ta di mi ta di cinco pa ta di mi ta ta. Bye.